Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. So today I'm going to do another ring pour, and since I have to mix up some paint, I wanted to show you how I did that. So I already did the white one, and this is what it looks like. And what I did is I mixed Floetrol with the pouring medium. So I'm going to do the black one now on camera. I took the measurement so I could give it to you guys as I do it. So this is a 16-ounce cup. I'm going to clear it. And then for the pouring medium, I did 60 grams. Everything's going to be in grams. Okay, so now I'm going to clear. And I'm going to put my black. It's going to be 60, so it's equal parts pouring medium to paint. I didn't realize I haven't opened this. Just make sure it's clear. Okay. Okay. And I'm just going to mix this up first, and then we can add the Floetrol. It just makes it easier to combine everything. So you see how thick it is right now. And this recipe may change. This is the first time I'm mixing the Floetrol with the Artist Loft pouring medium. So let's see how this is going to come out today, and then I could just go from there. I'm not adding any water. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to add is the Floetrol. And I did about 210 grams of that one. So just make sure you shake it all up. I already did that, so I'm not doing it again. And I do have a pantyhose just to filter the Floetrol. Okay, I did a little more, but that's okay. Okay, so now let's give this a mix. You want to make sure it's mixed really good. And now look at the consistency. So that's why I'm not adding any water. It's pretty fluid. Okay, so now that's done, let's move everything out the way, and then we can start on our ring pour. Okay, so I have 14 by 14 candles here, and I'm just going to layer the paint in this cup. Actually, let's move it out the way here. Okay, so I'm going to start to layer it. I'm going to start with my white. Oh shoot, totally messed the cup. Okay, so I'm just gonna spread this out some. I don't want to tilt it just yet all the way. Okay, I'm gonna bring it back. Okay, so for the next part, I'm going to use some of this leftover paint that I have to refill, and I'm going to layer it on this palette knife and then just throw it down. I think you can see it here. As long as it's not on the floor. That's pretty cool.